Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing a love read for you. An in-depth one where we're going to check on how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action can we expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings. Scorpio will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. All right, Scorpio, let's begin your reading. Newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, we'll have your mutual energies, your action cards, your dialogue cards, etc. For me, this is going to be person A, this side is going to be person B. Scorpio, if this is your reading, you'll know which side you resonate best with. Okay. Scorpio and their person. Okay. The world in reverse. Somebody doesn't want this chapter to shut down, Scorpio. They want to have another go around, it seems. So I'm going to put this here. And from what I see here, action cards, sorry. Action card for person A and action card for person B. All right. So from, like I said, the overall energy is of a person who doesn't want this chapter to shut down between the two of you, Scorpio. From person A's end, I do see there is somebody who's not really interested though. There is, like, this person is still upset with person B, still angry, doesn't see any stable brand new beginning to be had with person B anymore. But the other person wants to make that decision to turn back time, come back maybe, I don't know. So what I'm going to do right now, Scorpio, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll go on from there. So Scorpio and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person spirit. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Scorpio, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. One more card, spirit, Scorpio and their person. If they could say something to each other now. Okay, got two. And I'm going to take a couple more from here, Scorpio, from another deck. Scorpio and their person. Okay, good to go, Scorpio. The first card here says, I tend to look at your social media pages waiting on signs to connect with you. Secretly doing things behind your back. Maybe that's the reason person A is looking this angry to me and saying, I don't want any brand new start with them. I know they've been doing things behind my back. I'm afraid that if I come back into your life, that I'll hurt you again. Just know that I'm sorry. I daydream about being the mother or father of your children. I would be honored to give you children. So children is coming up twice. Either you guys already have children, or I'm so afraid that you have left my life forever. It hurts me to the core. If I give in to you, you'll have the power to break my heart and mind. I can't survive that. This could be person A again, who doesn't want to try again. They feel if I do try again, I'll be hurt again. All right, Scorpio, if these cards are resonating with your storyline, let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Scorpio. Blessing, guidance, look deeper. So what you see on the surface is not what is there, right? You don't know what emotions the other person is going through below the surface. Like this angel is looking at this river, Scorpio, very, very calm water, but there's so much of life under it. So even if you guys feel about each other that, no, my person will never think like that, or never, wanting that, you don't know what they're planning and plotting behind your back. And this card already said, secretly doing things behind your back. So look deeper into the situation before you make any decisions. So let's start now, Scorpio, with the energy of person A. Now this side could be you, that side could be you would know. For me, I'm just reading two energies and I'm starting with person A. So person A is in the Queen of Wands in reverse energy. Why is that, Spirit? Why is that? Queen of Wands in reverse. But person A feels that there's too much of conflict here. There's always been too much trouble in this connection. I was never respected. I was never given that position. I was never given security, safety, and all I got was conflict from this connection. So yes, they feel they were dealing with somebody who was a trickster, who was a magician in reverse. This is a person who creates illusions but actually does the wrong thing, right? So this person A is very angry with person B, it seems. They feel, what's the point, I mean, I was there, but it was full of drama, conflict, dealing with somebody who was insincere. So Ace of Pentacles in reverse for person A. Why are they feeling that way, Spirit? Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Ace of Pentacles in reverse is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Scorpio. What should I clarify from this? Tell me one thing. This person is hell-bent sure that I'm not going back to get tricked once again. I was never given that, respect in this connection. There was too much unhappiness here. I'm not even thinking about it. What happened, Spirit, to person A in the recent past that there's this adamant now? Knight of Swords in reverse. There was too much of conflict, fighting, maybe, yes, broken promises. There was broken promises and immature behavior. I think somebody came to some information, maybe that this immature person was into third parties. And whenever I think they got caught, they created some kind of a fight or said something abusive, always broke promises. Three of Cups. Yes. One more. One more. I think person A did return, but they soon realized that fine, I could be friends with this person or know this person, but to be in a connection with this person is never going to give me that happiness. This will always fail. I'll always feel like a loser because my experience has told me that this person is not the most authentic person. But yes, I think person A is willing to be patient, I guess, with person B, or just keep not go deeper, keep it on surface level. But to say that they want to now reconcile and do the whole, Ace of Pentacles thing, I don't think this person is interested. They don't want to go back to the way things were. So how does person A now see person B, Spirit? Knight of Cups in reverse again. I think person A is quite sure that person B is not a very authentic person. They're a promise breaker. They're not somebody that can be trusted. Person A is saying, I've now kind of finally turned myself upright from being the Queen of Wands in reverse, which they were showing up as here. Right? Queen of Wands in reverse. I finally managed to pick myself up again. I'm finally feeling good about myself. I'm finally, chasing my own goals and dreams, looking good, feeling good, and I'm healing myself. I think person A is now healing themselves from the heartbreak that was caused by person B to them. Knight of Cups in reverse. Knight of Cups in reverse. Yes, person A feels that person B either had some obsessive habits, bad habits, or this was just a very toxic connection where they always felt betrayed by person B. Three of Swords in reverse. Three of Swords in reverse. I don't think person A is confused anymore. I don't know which side you're on, Scorpio, but I don't think person A is confused anymore. From their side, I think they've already shut this chapter down. They don't want to go back to a place which is going to hurt them again. Person A seems to be healing or has healed already. So person B, how do you feel about the connection? Three of Wands in reverse. They don't want their person to look out anywhere. In fact, they want them to return. Yes, they want to apologize. There was a card saying that as well. Just know that I'm sorry. They want to apologize. One more, Spirit, for the Three of Wands in reverse. It's almost like they want to turn back the clock now. They want to now speak their truth. They want to talk to person A, be honest with person A, say I'm sorry, will you please come back? Two of Swords in reverse. Two of Swords in reverse. Yes, they're no longer confused. They don't want to now juggle. They don't want to. They see the three cards of choices. My God, Two of Swords. That means this is of somebody who has to make a decision. This is somebody who's made a decision. Okay. Then Two of Pentacles. Somebody who's going back and forth. Do I want this? Do I not want this? Again in reverse. They don't want to juggle anymore. They've made their choice. Lovers in reverse. Again another card of I choose. I've made my choice. So I think person B is ready. They've made their choice. They want to go back to person A. They want to apologize. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? The Lovers in reverse. So some decision, some choice was made in the recent past. After something got revealed or they got to know that their person is now available, single, and doing very well on their own. Something this person got to know, person B, that maybe person A is available. That kind of made them very happy. The Sun card. What's the Sun card, Spirit? Oh my God, yes, their passions got ignited. This is the person of their dreams who's now single and available. So the news of, I think, person A being available or single really made them very, very happy. Okay, so how does person B now view this connection, Spirit? Five of Cups in reverse. They feel now I have a chance to maybe rectify something and not live in regret and sorrow for the rest of my life. I can get rid of all this stress and anxiety and sleepless nights if only I can get person A back. I can get out of feeling that I had a missed opportunity. Page of Cups in reverse. Page of Cups in reverse. They haven't said anything yet. I don't think they have verbally said anything yet. They haven't made their move yet because they feel person A doesn't trust them. They feel person A will probably cut their nose off or head off if they even try and approach. Look deeper. This is what is on the surface is not what is the truth. They may be showing nothing, but inside them they are like jumping with joy that they may get another chance with person A. The only reason they have not approached till now or they've not made their move yet is because they fear that person A is not going to trust them anyway, of whatever their behavior has been in the past. And from what we saw, person A is feeling exactly that hey, I've finally healed myself. and I'm not interested in doing this again. So one more card, Spirit, for person B. How do they see this connection? They are contemplating what work should I put in, how should I go about it. They are not happy that in the past maybe things didn't work out between the two of you. So this person is now strategizing. What investment can I put into somehow win person A back? Alright, so person A, any action towards person B? Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Second time around. Queen of Pentacles was here somewhere as well, where they felt here. Here it is. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. This is the action they intend to take. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. They still feel, I'll never be respected here. Yes, this person creates too much of conflict in my life. They all came out together, so I'm going to take them. This person creates too much conflict and there's too much fighting. This person is very immature. I'm not even ready to fight for this connection, because if I do, it's going to backfire on me once again. So I'm not fighting for this one. I'm not fighting for this one. So person B, will you take any action towards person A now? King of Cups. This was expected, wasn't it? Now this person has a lot of love for person A. They may not be showing it. They may not be showing it at the moment. They may be hiding it from person A. But heart of hearts, I think they want person A big time. King of Cups, Spirit, why is that an action from person B's end? Yes, they don't want things to end between the two of you. Death in reverse. They don't want this connection to end, Scorpio. They still have a lot of love for person A. So any action? But they want to open up. They want their person to open up now, not hold back anymore. They want to release all their bad behavior of the past. They don't want to be, immature anymore, because now they see there's a possibility of having a 10 of Cups. The person, if they can manage to win back person A, they see a future of happiness. Wow. But person A has no clue. Person A has no clue that person B is even thinking like that. And person B is keeping it under wraps. This is all going on under the surface. The only reason they haven't made a move yet, because they're contemplating how to show it, how to ask, because they fear that they haven't yet been forgiven. So yes, this is a manipulative person. Anyway, but there is love here. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Till next time, love and light. Take care. Namaste.